Hey everybody, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about the Speed Queen top load washer, model number TR7003WN. Now this is going to be the highest end in this series for Speed Queen. So it is going to be their top of the line. They have two other series below it, but today we're going to be focusing on this one specifically. So the first thing that you're going to notice, even if you kind of glance over here a little bit, is that there are a couple models that are going to have some knobs on it, but this one specifically is going to be a complete electronic control panel right here. One of the things that I really like that they did with this series is they gave you a lot more options. Speed Queen is really known for being a little bit more kind of basic, not a lot of bells and whistles, and that's really what they're known for because they're a commercialized company. A lot of times if you walk into a laundromat, you're typically going to see Speed Queen, so they've really taken that commercial technology but really gained it into that residential kind of unit overall. So you're going to get a lot more of those kind of different cycle options, wash options, kind of just to make sure you're getting the full care for your laundry. When you open up the unit, the first thing you're going to notice is the agitator. Speed Queen will always have units with agitators. They are going back to kind of more of that basic, traditional top load washer, and that's what you're going to get here. The other thing I always like to point out is Speed Queen is known for having a little bit of a smaller capacity. Their units are only typically about 3.2 capacity, and that's what you're gonna see here. So you are gonna get a full stainless steel wash basket, that full extended agitator up here, and people do get a little concerned about the capacity. However, you still can do a load of king sheets, a king duvet, a king quilt, things like that, large towels. However, something that might be like really bulky, like your comforter, you might have to kind of gauge with the size to kind of get an idea if it's gonna fit in here. However, it is going to be a workhorse. These are known to be extremely long lasting. They have a great warranty. They're really kind of that, long lasting unit. If you're looking for something, that you kind of are used to having, like an older type of model, this is gonna be kind of like that. So again, we kind of are going to go back to the control panel up here. It is a high efficiency washer as well, even though it is going to be more like a kind of a heavier duty commercialized unit. It still needs to meet water restrictions and all the different kind of codes and everything. So it is going to be like that as well. But you still are going to have a lot more options than before, where they had more of just a couple different cycles on the dial. So not a lot of bells and whistles, but still going to give you the best care for your clothes in the Speed Queen top load washer. Again, that is model number TR7003WN, and there's two other models in this series. There's a 3 series and a 5 series. But as always, stop by your local Don's Appliances, check out what they have on the floor, and as always, visit donsappliances.com for more information.